Hello, colleagues. It's pediatric psychologist Dr. Lynne Kenny, and I'm coming to you from my studio office in Scottsdale, Arizona. And on Friday, we're going to be doing 6 hours live, continuing education on executive function skills in the classroom. We'll be talking about two categories of information. One is transparent executive function coaching strategies for parents, teachers, and clinicians to help children from about 3 years old to about 17 years of age. We'll be working on what we call SAM, self-control and self-regulation, attention, and memory. But those won't be the only executive functions we work on. We'll work on cognitive flexibility, previewing and planning, and all sorts of important thinking skills that are so relevant to this time of distance learning when we as clinicians and parents have come home and our children are home as well. And then we'll be using bean bags, balls, drums, our bodies, drumsticks if you have them, in order to do some of the cognitive motor activities that we have developed since 2013. We'll be doing Cognitap, which is our seated desk work activity or tabletop activity, which is so fun and shockingly complicated. We'll be reading right on this wall, we'll be reading cognitive motor languages that we need to interpret, respond to, and then move to individually or as a group. We'll do Spotlight, which was our original activity, and we'll even sing some cognitive songs, some executive function songs. So if you're coming to the training and you do have drumsticks or balls or bean bags or even like playground balls or yoga balls, do bring them to your training in your office or in your home. If you don't have them, it's no big deal. Every activity we've created requires absolutely no equipment. I just think that equipment, since we're going to be live over the internet instead of in person, might make it more fun for you. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys this Friday live online as we learn how to enhance children's executive function skills at home, in the clinic, and in the classroom.